By selecting Watch, you can earn. All it takes to consistently make $5 is to watch online videos or video advertising. If you're watching this video, chances are good that you watch a lot of videos daily and still lose money. By simply turning on your phone or computer and visiting this website, you can start making up to $300 per day or more without any prior knowledge or expertise. There is no need for a credit card or other kind of payment. This method is entirely free and is applicable everywhere. Make sure to keep watching the movie non-stop the entire time. If you understand how to use this website, adhere to my directions, and review my samples, you can finally make some good money online that might even alter your life. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Visit buxinside.com. By viewing adverts, you can get money online for this, and you'll get paid every 10 seconds. You can see that every 10 seconds, you are eligible for payment. You only need to quickly and easily navigate through the websites of a few marketers. Within 24 hours, you can immediately cash out your funds and begin getting your payment. The finest aspect of this website is that you can begin making withdrawals as soon as your balance reaches $2. It is an easy obstacle to overcome because it is so low. As you can see, clicking on the ad on this website will pay you. Anyone can make money with this simple method on this website. Again, there is a $2 minimum payment, and they accept several different currencies. Several payment methods are available on our website for you to choose from. Payments can be made using a variety of options, including Payza, AdCash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Neteller, and others. Here are some more commercials for your viewing pleasure. Clicking on one of these advertisements will cause you to view the really simple films and earn more money. You will be directed to this page after clicking the advertising, where you must stay for 30 seconds. After you close this web page in just 30 seconds, they will credit you with the entire sum of money. It is possible to perform the same action repeatedly. For instance, if you click on the next advertisement, you'll visit the next website and ensure that you stay there for an additional 30 seconds. Make careful to follow the proper procedures if you want to get compensated. Just a quick reminder that nothing is necessary from you. You don't need to click anything or sign up for anything. Spend no more than 30 seconds on the page, explore around, and you'll earn money. Make sure you select a register before moving on to this page if you wish to sign up for this website. When you reach this page, you must provide your email address, username, and the currency you want to be paid in. The next step is to choose your method of payment. They provide you with a range of payment choices, as you can see. Next, you must make a choice, enter your birth year. Be sure to check the box next to "I declare that I have read, understood, and accepted the terms of service" before clicking Yes. On occasion, they give you even more chances to earn more money. After completing the enrollment process, for instance, you can click on this button to create your free account. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell button for getting more such updates.